This video goes over what Court Assistance Office forms are and how you can use them to represent yourself. The Court Assistance Office was designed through the Supreme Court of Idaho in an effort to make the courts more accessible to people without having to hire an attorney. By using these forms, you will be representing yourself in court. Sometimes cases are complicated, and instructions in the forms are not a substitute for legal advice. The laws and court rules are complex, and following these instructions will not guarantee you a favorable result. You may need to consult with an attorney in order to move forward with your case. There are some attorney resources available to you that you will want to know about. First, the Idaho State Bar has a lawyer referral service. You can contact the Idaho State Bar online and sign up to speak with an attorney in your area that practices the type of law that you need that will give you a half-an-hour consultation at no cost. You pay the referral service $35 and then you talk to the attorney for half an hour. Next, your local county may host a free attorney clinic where you can go in and speak with an attorney and ask questions at no cost to you. Please check with your local court assistance office to find out more information. This is the template for most court assistance office forms. The first thing you're going to want to do is look right underneath where the case number is to see the title of the document. You'll notice the title of the document is also down in the footer of the form. Next, we're going to look to see who is filing this document. You will be identified up here with your name and your contact information because you are filing your own Court Assistance Office forms. It's your responsibility to make sure all of your contact information is up to date and accurate. Nobody does this for you but yourself. If you use email regularly, make sure to put your email address, and the courts will use this to contact you. Next, you're going to identify where you are filing, the jurisdiction of your case. You're going to identify the district and the county. Next, the parties of the case, who the petitioner is and who the respondent is. If you are filing your case from the very beginning, you are the petitioner and the other party is the respondent. Once you pay your filing fee and file, you will be given a case number. Once this is established, the names of the parties and the case number, this will never change. This is the thumbprint of the case. Even if the respondent comes back to file a petition for a modification several years later, you will still look to see who the original petitioner was and who the original respondent was, and you will put the names in this order. Make sure you use black pen to fill out your Court Assistance Office forms, and when you have them complete, you can bring them into your local Court Assistance Officer to do a form review. Please follow up this brief instructional video by visiting www.courtselfhelp.idaho.gov to find out more information about your local court assistance office.